Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is from our friend at Love Sweat Fitness on YouTube, and I'll put a link to her channel in the description box below. This one is a microwave meatloaf. So easy, so quick, and keto friendly. So I hope you guys give this one a try, especially if you're short on time. You do need to thaw out your meat first, but other than that, you can use this one pretty easily. So, this is a meatloaf in the microwave recipe, and it is so quick and easy, so we highly recommend it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everyone, we are making a ketovore, basically, meatloaf in the microwave tonight for the Monday meal. And this is gonna be like about 10 to 12 minutes in the microwave. I got this from Love Sweat Fitness YouTube channel, and I'll link to her video here below. But this is awesome. So excited. And I don't know if you realize this, but we're doing ketovore, which is about 20 grams or less of carbs a day. And it's just making us feel really good. So a lot healthier. Dr. Ken Berry got us on that. You can check out his YouTube channel as well. But anyway, so I am making this meatloaf in the microwave, and here's what's in the bowl. We're gonna mix it all together. I doubled the recipe, so I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box below as well. But I doubled it, you know me. So it's 2 pounds of ground venison in here, or you can use ground beef. She used 90-10 in her recipe, but she used 1 pound. So I have 2 pounds of that in there. And then I have 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard, which actually equals 4. She did 2, I did 4. 4 tablespoons of no sugar added ketchup or unsweetened ketchup. 2 eggs. I use my Just egg because I'm allergic to eggs. And then we used a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of ground white pepper, and then a cup of pork. This is artisanal fried pork rind, smoke flavor added panko crumbs, or to use in place of breadcrumbs. Now she used like almond flour, I believe, but instead like a half a cup, and so I used a full cup, since I doubled the recipe, of these pork crumbs. No carbs, all pork rinds basically. So that's what's in here. Now we're gonna use our hands, mix it all up, form it into a loaf, and put it in a microwave safe dish. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, I've got my loaf formed for my microwave meatloaf. That's 2 pounds of ground venison that I'm doing. And I checked, this dish does fit in my microwave. So I'm gonna put it in for 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'm gonna check the temperature too. But Love Sweat Fitness, she said there's no need to put a sauce on it. It's juicy and moist without one. So we are not doing a sauce. All right, it is done. I've started cutting it up, but I did it for probably like 16 minutes. But again, I used double the amount of meat. But I wanted it to get to 160-degree temperature, and it did. And it's cooked through, you can see. It is delicious. I highly recommend this. So easy, so quick, really good for you. Enjoy.